Hello everybody, my name's Atlas. I'm here with the Bridgeville Public Library today to show you how to put our telescope together. So upon checkout, our telescope comes in this gray travel bag. Inside the bag, you'll find multiple pieces. This accessories bag, which has all the small pieces to put it together. A set of instructions that will help you follow along. An observer's handbook, which will tell you many things that you can observe. And a laminated sheet of paper, and this will tell you what it should look like when it's all put together, how to use it, and a little bit more information about the telescope itself and the people who donated it. Inside the bag, the telescope will be strapped in like this. To remove it, you'll want to take the end of the strap, push it through the first hole, and then it will be out the second. Like so. You'll have to do the same 3 times for the tripod. With the tripod out, you'll stand it on its 3 legs. And then, with the small accessories bag, you will find the accessories stand, which looks like this, and a smaller bag, which has some of the smaller accessories. In that is an Allen wrench. You will also find a small silver dial-like object. The accessory tray will slide onto the middle rod of the telescope. At the bottom of the metal rod, you will fit the silver dial. The smooth portion will be at the bottom, and you'll find where the Allen wrench fits in and face it towards you. Fitting it there, it will only go up so far, and you will use the Allen wrench to tighten it so that it fits. The accessory tray will fit on top of here, and you'll be able to adjust its height by turning the knob. Now that the tripod is put together, you'll grab the telescope. You will find a rectangular black portion with a small bump on the front. You will want this to face towards the indented mount of the tripod. With the mount facing towards you and the lens facing away, you will fit it in. First, you will unscrew and slide it in. Then, screwing them back in so that it fits snugly and the telescope does not fall out, it is attached. In the accessories bag, you will find the finder scope and 2 handles. These handles will easily fit onto the small golden pegs found here and here. These are used to adjust the telescope. The finder scope is used to find the objects in the sky before you use the eyepiece to look through. There will be an offset area to slide it into where you have to unscrew and slide it in. After that, all that's left is to take off the eyepieces, fit on the silicone ring for the eyepiece. It will be in the small accessories bag. You will want the larger circular part facing upwards to protect your eye from light as you look through. Then, you remove the large lens cap, and the telescope is ready for use. Using the finder scope, you'll be able to find objects to observe in the sky, and then use this piece right here to zoom and unzoom. Thank you for checking out our telescope. When putting it away, be sure to put the lens cap back on the front. There are two smaller ones to fit onto the finder scope, and one to fit on the eyepiece. When putting it back, we ask that you try your best to fit it into the straps, but try your best and we can handle the rest.